Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. You need to begin by tapping on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like for example Play Store. Now access your chosen app in the background and click on those three dots at the top right corner of it. Finally, click on Floating Window and tap on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to, you can always resize it by holding one of its corners and dragging it. When you find the perfect size, let go. In order to move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. Then let go. You can also use it overlay the other app by tapping on the other one and operating in both. Then, if you want to go back, click on Home button and tap on the tiny window again. You can always use your app in full screen view again by clicking on the top left corner of it. In order to close it completely though, select top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!